Whatever you've been curious about, try it. Be it knitting, puzzles, planning next season's garden, growing microgreens. Start something and see it through. It's a healthy distraction, and a sense of accomplishment you'll feel is a positive feeling that will contribute to other areas of your life. Spend time outside, intentional time outside. Stand outside to drink your morning coffee or tea or hot cocoa. Go outside during your lunch break. As someone who can't stand being cold, with the temperatures dropping, even I can admit that the sunlight and the rush of cool air really feels invigorating. Maintain a morning and evening routine. Start and end your days with intention, perhaps meditation, reading, and journaling. Mind your mind. Don't doom scroll, and be mindful about what you mentally ingest. Consistent consumption of bad news is not going to help you. You already know this. Eat nourishing foods, whole foods, fruits and vegetables that are in season, organic if you can. If you have a tendency to crave sweets during this time, a tip that might help is committing to baking your own treats instead of buying them from the grocery store. It creates some friction because you're going to be starting from scratch every time you have that sweet tooth itch. So hopefully you're less likely to do that every day. And with homemade treats, you'll also be using better and less ingredients than if it was store-bought. With that said, though, you still have to have some restraint. Don't eat everything that you make. Share it, freeze it, don't binge eat it.